Hello and welcome to our feature update video on duplicating sections. This may seem like a small update, but it is a quite powerful and important one. If you've watched our update on the ability to now create borders and edit all of those features around the borders, setting background colors, setting the text color and whatnot, there's a lot of settings that go into this experience. You can really get this dialed in and looking really great. The downside, though, there's a lot of different options. You come in here, you set all of those options. You come in here, you set all of these options. You set the background color, text color, etc. That can take a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of different sections in your newsletter. But we've made this really easy to use by creating this duplicate feature that allows you to simply click one click. It's going to copy everything within this grouping and allow you to replicate this over and over again. I could then take this content and drop it right in here. And then once I do all of this, maybe I have placeholders, I could save that as a template and really cut down on the time it takes to get the production of a template or a newsletter up and running. The next thing you can do is this reset text formatting, so you can get rid of any of the bolding and whatnot there. We can also copy to Clipboard, so if you want to move sections between posts, you can do that as well. If I go to exit here and I come into this fresh new post, just paste and it has that entire section. We make the transfer of these sections that may take a little bit of time to really perfect and look really good down to basically nothing. You create it once and then you can go from there. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing what you build.